YouTube, welcome back to the Windy channel. So check this out. Johnson Research and Performance. So I've got this this fancy little box here. Let's go open this thing up. Oh, hey girl. Oh, hey girl. So check this out. We got a couple new things. This thing. A decibel digital sound level reader. 111. Not bad. So we got that. Set that over here. And then we've got, oh look at towing receipt. Way too much money. And then we got this. So this is from JRP Research and Performance. So let's get this bad boy open. Sprint booster, SBL, blah 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 blah. So this is supposedly for my Gallardo. What else we got in here? Oh dang, check that out. And we got a Sprint booster shirt. All right, the box matches the Lambo. I'm into that kind of stuff. Okay, so step is important. I would imagine it is. Is there a zip tie in here? Yep, zip tie. Looks like it comes with everything it's supposed to come with. So there's a pedal. This plugs into the pedal up above the pedal. Okay. Yep. And then you got this little guy, this little booster, Sprint booster packer. And that's it. Just that little guy right there, I guess. On the right side of the selector, the slide switch using a pointed. We got auto or manual. Manual, it looks like it's on the top. 3 acceleration modes, sport, race, and off. Sprint booster is deactivated. Sport mode, sprint booster has improved responsive 30%. Race mode up to. Okay, so what this is doing is, since this is electric, this is drive-by electric for the throttle. This is getting rid of that little lag that it's got. Sport, red 4, race, green, sport 9. Okay, we're gonna have to do a little reading. Pedal lock mode. There's a valet. Dang, this thing has this little freaking thing. I'm a little hesitant because this kind of stuff kind of scares me, and for the price, it was actually a very, very good price. I'm just kidding, nothing really scares me. I ripped the freaking the front differential out of this car when it was brand new to me. All right, let's go. Oh no. There we go. Now we fit those little lovely buttons. All right, so, oh, shoot, I'm an idiot. I didn't bring a light. All right, phase 1, I do not see how good my lights are. So, this is why I need my good light from Lights All, because this piece of junk that was $70 does this. Just stops working up in broad daylight, stops freaking working. Okay, so our first little hang up here. Again, this is an 04 Gallardo. It is gated, so that does that makes things a little bit different, I guess, on this. But I think with any of the Mercies, the Gallardos, it's all pretty close to the same. I think some of the bolts or these little screws might be different. Got 2 bolts right under here. 2 little guys right there. So there they are. It is a mess under here, because I drive it everywhere. Oh gosh, what did I hit? Oh wonderful, my battery died again on my freaking flashlight. I hate that flashlight. Alright, so I'm lazy, so we're gonna grab this. Pop those 2. Jeez Louise! Alright, so now you guys can't see, correct? Correct. Okay, let me grab. Use I guess we'll use cell phone. Okay, guys, we have light. How shall we ever do this? Oh my gosh, this is killer. This is a bruto. Okay, so now this. Oh my gosh, here it goes again. Pop those 2 out. This thing does not come out as easy as I thought it would. All right. Probably get rid of that altogether. For yours, if you're doing this on yours, I would not get rid of that altogether. Look at all this garbage in here. How the heck did that get in there? You guys, I can't wait to show you what's coming next. Oh man. Okay, so there's the sprint, there's the booster, or where the booster's gonna go. See it right back there? No, you don't see him. Of course you don't, because I suck with this camera. Okay. We are disconnected. So, did you see that? Maybe. Alright, so you see that? There's the connector back there. This is trying to zoom in on the pedal, of course. So we're gonna tuck that back away. I'm gonna get this one hooked into it. Alright, so before you plug this in, you'll wanna put the, you're gonna want to, let's see here. You're gonna wanna hook this up. So you got that little plug-in spot. You're gonna want to plug in your little controller. We'll plug that in. So there's our booster, there's our little deal, and then here's our controller on the end. I have the one. This is so hard to show you because of this stupid lighting. Oh, watch this. I think I figured it out, guys. My Rockform case. Shout out to Rockform, the best phone cases in the world since my flashlights suck. So there it is. See that? That is, so here's the booster. Let me see if I can show you guys how this goes in now. So now, this is my little, that's the factory piece. Oh goodness, it works. Gotta find the square bottom, loop that around. Alright, now that is all put back together. Tuck everything back in top of it. Make sure that the pedal not catching on nothing. And then here I've got my wire hanging down here. I'm just gonna run it up next to the steering wheel and double sided. Lazy. Here's how this one went down. You can definitely pry the dash apart right there. You gotta take some bolts out, but you can run it through there, make it much cleaner. But not today, sucker. That's how she's going. So this is one thing I would definitely recommend reading the instructions on. Let's see if she starts. Alright, so no light is off. And then, so one light is green, so we're gonna go green 1. Alright, let's quiet her down a little bit, let her warm up. Should probably get my other garage doors open. Alright. So I can't really tell if it's doing anything yet because it's I gotta let the car warm up, let it get outside. 4,000 degrees in here now. I'm gonna get out of here before I die of carbon monoxide poisoning because it freaking stinks. First stop on our list of places to go. We need to go get some good fuel. We got the Sprint Booster V3 up and running. It actually works really good. It's like really good, so I'm very impressed. SEMA, and real quick, I had to swing by, so I just got this video up, and now I'm gonna drop this in here. Here is that sprint booster. So it is legit. It is the real deal. I can 100% stand behind it and prove it that it does work. So what we got here?
Hey guys, we have a sprint booster display here. It's a great display. It shows exactly what's happening on your throttle body. Lamborghini, Porsche, Honda Civic, they all have the same issue. No matter how hard you hit the gas, it does not listen to your pedal. There's a disconnect between the pedal and the throttle blade actually moving. With the sprint booster installed, it plugs into the pedal assembly using OEM connectors, and it has a control module. Once you activate the control module, you'll have a sports setting and a race setting, and then you can turn it off. Sports setting gives you a more linear approach with a little bit softer on the tip end of design, and then you have race mode, which is an aggressive 1-to-1 ratio. As you can see, I'm at 100%, I back it off, I'm at 0. When I go all the way down, I'm at 100. So you don't lose your percentage, you actually just gain control. Once it's set, you can actually unplug the controller. You don't have to have it hooked up, so you don't have to hide anything. The sprint booster also has a valet mode and a pedal lock mode, all built into one unit.
That's awesome. Thank you.